Happy Monday, SK. I'm Noah.
And I'm Riot.
There's a massive amount of rain outside right now.
Massive? You know what else is massive? This homecoming week schedule. But let's get right into the news.
To start us off, this week is Spirit Week. Today is Pascal Day, so we hope you wore camo or green. Tomorrow will be Rapunzel versus Mother Gothel Day, so be sure to wear yellow and gold or black. The assembly will be at the end of the day on Friday in the gym with games, performances from cheer, dance, band, and student recognitions and celebrations. Then we'll have the football game. It'll be our first home game of the season. We hope to see you all there. If you can't make it to the game, be sure to check out the school's video production YouTube channel where the game is set to be live streamed.
Saturday is the homecoming dance, Beyond the Tower. It will take place in the Commons from 7 to 10, and tickets will still be on sale for $20 with ASB and $22 without. Reminder that the day of the event, tickets will be $25 for everyone, and sales will end at 3 p.m. that day. Tickets will not be sold at the door, so be sure to get yours quick. Besides Spirit Week, there's another way to get your school spirit on at homecoming. FCCLA will be selling pom-poms at the game on Friday. You can get them for $3 for two, or $3 for two, or five. Sorry, you can get 1 for 3 or 2 for 5. Be sure to grab yours. Cheer loud and help fill the stands with SK Spirit.
In general news, be sure to check out SK Latte for their homecoming week menu. You can also stop by the Deca store where the froyo flavors this week are creamsicle, vanilla, and swirl. If you're interested in taking the SAT or the PSAT, time is running out. The deadline to sign up is this Wednesday and spots are filling up fast. The SAT is $68 and the PSAT is $18. You can sign up by paying on the web store or at the ASB office. This Wednesday is also the deadline to purchase Chromebook insurance. You can get yours now for $30 online or at the ASB window. And we do have just one more thing. The price for your books goes up after December 1st. So be sure to pre-order yours now online or at the ASB office. And we have a brand new segment for you. Now presenting Logan's Lecture.
Hello and welcome to Logan's Lecture. Today we have a guest speaker, Big John. Anyways, take it away, Big John.
Hey, I'm Big John. Some of you people don't know the hallway game plan. Hey, QB, roll the clip. Look at this loser. He's walking on the wrong side of the hall. Oh, great. Here comes the defense. Have a look at the breakdown. If you're walking on the left side of the hall, defense is gonna take you down, boy. But if you're on the right side, boom, touchdown. Yeah, baby, that's how you walk the halls.
Anyways, that's all I had. See ya.
That guy was scary. Colorado State University will be presenting tomorrow morning at 9:30 with leaders in the veterinary medicine, agriculture, and energy, among with other strong programs. This is also a Western undergrad exchange program school, meaning you can pay less as a Washington resident. UW Seattle will be in the Career Center this Thursday offering presentations at 11:45 and 1. Don't miss out if UW is a top school choice for you. Now, some news for our seniors. Be sure to order your graduation gear by going to the graduation page or the school website, on the school website. If 80% of the class places their cap and gown order with Jostin by November 14th, they will donate $500 to the senior class. Also, every senior that places their order before the date will be entered into a drawing to win a class ring from Jostin.
And seniors can also upload their headshot for the yearbook. Be sure to submit yours before December 1st by going to the yearbook page on the school website. And SK's Got Talent is taking place on November 19th. Auditions will be held on October 6th, 7th, and 9th in Stage 3, starting at 2:30. In sports news, girls basketball conditioning runs on Wednesdays and Friday nights from 7 to 9. You must be fully registered in Final Forms to participate. And wrestlers can sign up in Final Forms for fall weightlifting. It's the best preseason conditioning for wrestling. And girls wrestling will have a preseason information meeting this Thursday in Stage 3 right after school. So if you're interested in wrestling this season, be sure to attend.
Boys water polo took another tough loss against Peninsula. Missing a few players due to other commitments made things more challenging, but Olsen and Sintompul stood strong on defense, while Pucker and Harold put points on the board. JV also came up short, 6-2, while also feeling the impact of missing players. Kniper and Turner each scored, and Dodge came up big with multiple saves in the goal. Way to go, Wolves. This just in, boys tennis is canceled today. C team and JV football will be at home against Sumner. Tomorrow, girls golf will be away facing Emerald Ridge at Lake Spanaway. Girls swim and dive will be home facing Curtis. Girls soccer will be away at Sumner. Volleyball will be away at Bethel, and varsity girls soccer will be away at Sumner.
In club news, a DECA reminder that the Fall Leadership Conference permission slip packets are due to Miss Fighter today. And speech and debate will be meeting on Tuesdays after school in room 337. And join FCCLA by kicking off their October huddle on Tuesday, the 9th. They're celebrating spooky season with a Halloween theme, so stop by to hang out and decorate Halloween cookies. FCCLA meets the first Thursday of every month. Man, I'm so glad we'll finally be getting some rain this week, and finally, those yellow jackets will just leave me alone.
I'm glad too, but I can't stand waiting for the bus in the rain.
Well, don't you have an umbrella?
Oh, you're from California, aren't you?
Yeah, but why does that matter?
We don't use umbrellas in Washington. At most, we'll put on a sweater and call it good.
Well, I guess we should go get our hoodies ready and end the show.
You're right. Have a great day, Eska.